This series is dedicated to entertaining, educating, and inspiring you to go out and catch the life you desire. Enjoy. We started our 5-day Steelhead adventure optimistic as heck, but all of us fully aware that we were pursuing the Grey Ghost. On day 1, we flew into a system that Jason and I had fished 20 kilometers higher, but had never been down this low. James and I set off to try to get one on the fly, but failing and only catching trout. Luckily, Jason was there to bring one to hand and avoid us from blanking. On day 2, we set out on a drift on a low, clear river. Again, it was not ideal conditions. I was able to get one on the Centerpin. We were not able to catch anything on the fly again. Still feeling like a bit of a success as we were able to catch a fish. But really, our goal was to get one on the fly. Luckily, we had 5 days to do so, but still in total appreciation of this beautiful chroma that we were able to bring in.
If you let your hand go and lay him sideways there, see if he kicks, he kicks.
On day 3, I said enough is enough. I brought James to a river that I had a ton of confidence in and knew very well. Lo and behold, there was a fish waiting to eat the fly on the first run. Thank God.
Yeah.
I cannot fucking believe this is happening right now.
This is what we're here for, buddy. Just gotta find them. That's the thing, they're hard to find. They're not hard to catch. Whoa, yeah, he's gonna go on a run, but that's fine. Just keep side pressure. Keep your rod tip low, yeah. Is he wrapped? You didn't even really get in there, but you kind of got in there.
That was my first cast.
Yeah, I know. So, yeah. He's not done yet. I'll just let you see him.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. He's got some sea lion damage. He's colored, but he's not like super old. Judging from his scar, he's been in here for like a week or 2. Yeah, perfect.
Might get him.
I don't want to chase him out and piss him off. I need you to bring him to me.
Yeah.
Right when he spit the hook, I air horned.
Woo!
Okay, there we go.
You ready?
Yeah,
Good. One,
yeah.
two.
And then put his head towards me in the water. There we go. He's good to go. Send him.
Just a quick video there.
I'm filming everything with my GoPro.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I'm filming now. Yeah, buddy. Let's go full coho. Oh, this way. This way. Still blue. Fuck, they're a cool fish. Woo! At this point, we were really excited to find fish in multiple runs that wanted to play, so we decided to spend the rest of that day and the next day at this river enjoying these beautiful creatures. Now the fight's on. Cause yeah. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, he kind of dinged me first cast and then second cast, boom. He likes this rock though. He's not done yet though. I'm just trying to keep him in the calm water. I don't want to keep him out of that heavy current. Chances are there's some fish at the tail end of this thing then. Nope. Yeah. That's you. Get him. You. Not very old either, eh? He's pretty clean for a buck. Water? Shallow shit. Dude, I was at like 30 inches there. No. Well, I started right in the riffle because sometimes I'll hit them right in the riffle. But if it came up to 30 inches, it's flat. There. I don't think he's quite done yet. He's still got a lot of power. Yes, he is done.
See you later.
Alligator. We're having a severe snow shower storm.
Ready?
Much more spotted. Little dimer. It went down so slow, it was such a subtle bite, I thought for sure it was a snag. I don't think this will be a very bright fish where he was sitting. Nice fish though.
Nice, dude. Yeah, well, that's not dirty. Clean up, man. That's a beauty. Nice ball. Yeah, he is skinny.
It's like a total different gene of fish. He almost looks like a summer.
He looks like a Gerard.
Yeah, he looks like a summer. Like he's like really heavily spotted. Like they're not usually that spotted. Steelhead rodeo, bud. Yeah, boy. Like I said, you're on a rodeo ride here. Just let's go down and land him in the next round. He'll go down. Just watch those bigger ones, yeah. There you go, you're good now. He's in the depth. Yeah. Down in a hurry?
Yeah, thought I was snagged.
Okay, just try to keep him away from that boulder if we can.
Good tussle.
Yeah. Now you got him in safe water, though. It's money.
Dude, I almost walked past it. With
Yeah. Well,
my gut told me. This is a little softer. I bet you get him in here
Yeah.
now. That doesn't really work. It's just a little softer. Oh yeah, buddy.
just pop her out of the net. Yeah. Just leave her head in the water, though. There you go. It's like translucent. I can't even see it.
Yeah.
I literally can barely see it right there. I thought I just saw another one with it.
Was that another one?
I think so. I just saw something turn around. I thought it was Monterey. And then it was like...
Oh yeah, we'll get him right here.
Hey.
Go on. Oh yeah, we'll get him right here.
We're not? That's a nice fish. Oh yeah.
After 2 days of catching fish on this beautiful system, we decided to go to a smaller, closer system, and we both got to experience a beautiful creek run chrome steelhead. We called it a great trip, and James headed on his way home.
Yeah, did you want to throw it in the water? Or?